I came here to announce that there was a recommendation and I signed for a 6-month preventive suspension of the Sergeant at Arms of the Acting Sergeant at Arms of the Senate, Mau Aplaska, for what happened the other night, and it's just it's a preventive suspension meant to make things easier for us to get to the bottom of things. Kinakailangan kasi na mapag-aralan yung pangyayari na naganap sa Senado nung 13 ng Mayo, nung gabi, at madaling araw kahapon lang yun, no? Madaling araw kahapon, kung saan nagkaputukan at tila tumakas sa protective custody ng Senado si Senator Bato de la Rosa na merong warrant of arrest galing sa ICC. At yun ang mahalagang balita na inaanunsyo ko ngayon sa inyong lahat sapagkat kinakailangan kumilos tayo sa bagay na ito.